The mines.
Oh, cheese, cheese, cheese. Give me the cheese.
Swiss and freaking Cheddar. Anyways, story time. So we saw that Doors 2 came out and we were super freaking excited, and then we went to go play it, but we were a little uneducated, and we thought you would just join a lobby and it would send you to 2. But little did we know there was a special button you had to click to actually get to the second part. So we did try beating the entire first game. We did spend an hour of our lives on that. But now we're here.
Yeah, and that's all that matters is, time lost will always come back. And we had fun and there were struggles, but here we are, freaking wetty.
Anything that strengthened our cousin connection, and now we're really good for this video.
We felt that our cousin connection was maybe losing a little bit, and now stronger than ever.
It's like this. You can't see it, but I'm showing how strong it is.
Me too. What did you do?
Okay, let's go. No, you'll just have to find out.
I think I know what you did, though.
Wait, cousin connection, what do you think I did?
I think you crossed your fingers.
Oh, yes!
And that's what I did too. That's why our connection is so strong. All these other cousins out here don't got nothing on us.
They don't. Oh,
all right.
What? Was that you walking?
Yeah.
It made a weird noise. Okay.
I think we have to do something with this.
Yeah, it's been glowing. Hold.
Oh, we need a fuse.
Yeah. Okay, don't go down there. I hope. Whoa, this is like.
Oh.
This is so.
This is really loud.
What are you going in the locker for?
I didn't know that I could. I didn't know I was gonna hide there. Oh.
What? I'm hungry. Okay. I was just about to complain about being hungry, but then I remembered it's irrelevant. I'm actually very confused as to. Wait. Oh! Oh!
Oh, I should have got in that.
Wait, maybe I can send it back? Get back.
Fuse. It's gotta be around here.
Get back.
Oh.
Get in here, get in here. Get in here.
Oh.
Oh, you can't jump. That's right. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. I should have brought a flashlight. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm feeling embarrassed.
What's wrong with buying a flashlight?
I'm embarrassed I didn't buy one.
Ooh! Aw. Do you need... Here, take that.
I can't.
Oh. Did I get a fuse? What is this?
Wait. Yeah, wait, what did you get?
I grabbed something.
It's a fuse, it's a fuse! Wait, it's a glow stick.
Ah! And I used it!
Dang it. Is the fuse... Ooh, is it like back in here?
We've never gotten smarter. Oh, I got another glow stick.
Okay, keep that one. Wait, maybe like throw it down here. Wait, we can't go down there. Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. We can't go down there right now.
Okay.
Like, it can't be this hard.
It's gotta be around here. Keep looking, keep looking. Check everything.
Where am I? Wait. Like, they gotta help us out. Is it? Oh, you can open these.
Did you not know that?
Well, I thought they were, you hidden them.
I got it. Smart cousin walking through.
I don't think either of us can claim to be smart right now.
True.
Do we need another one? It looks like we need freaking 3.
No, well...
Wait, switch it. Yeah, we need another. Okay, so check.
I checked all these, but I think you have to look up and down. Like, you have to make sure you check everything.
There was ones over here. Oh, found it. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Let's go. Now we gotta open the door. Open the door.
Can you open up the door?
Oh. 101. Here we go. Here we go.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay,
Oh.
Riley. I'm Joy.
What's it? Like, oh, I found a glow stick too. Why do we have so many glow sticks?
I don't know. It's kind of fun though. Keep in mind where all the the things are.
I gotta sneeze.
Oh.
Maybe I don't. It went away. The echo is like messing with me. Oh, and now it goes this way. You're smart. Smart.
Thank you. And I think we have to make it crash.
That was fun.
I'm as smart as they come, for real. Nah, for real?
I like forget we're playing this. Like I need to remember to like hide if the lights flicker and like.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, more glow sticks. Look at one for each of us.
Really? Where? I got.
I haven't yet. Grab that one. Yeah. Okay, 102.
It's like ominously dark.
I feel like I gotta sneeze.
I got the door over here, but we should. I'm not leaving any stone unturned. Did you? Did you?
One.
What?
What?
Did you get hurt at all?
No. Oh my
There's a
god.
band-aid right here.
Something made a noise.
We have to go in 103, right? Over here. Where is it? Okay. We have to go in door 103, right? Because it's over here. There's 102s over there, but I think it's 103.
Yeah, we need 103.
Well.
Can't fool us. Should I use a glow stick? Like, what does it do? Does it just throw it?
I got my headlamp on.
Oh, we gotta find another freaking fuse. Wait, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
I don't know.
God, I have giggle. Look at this thing. It got me. Okay. Found a fuse.
What was it?
It was. Get over here, cousin. Cousin, come here.
What? What did it get you?
The giggle thing. It wasn't.
What
It
did you
wasn't.
have to do?
I don't know. It just like hurt me. Like there wasn't a warning. It just like got me. I think it maybe is like the spider. You know how it just like gets you.
This part is making me uncomfortable. Like, what's going on? Also, there's more doors. Like, I want to open these ones. Oh. Rock.
Oh, I
I hear it.
Whatever. Ew, where is it? Oh no. Maybe it's hiding in a locker or something?
I don't know. I like this game a lot better when we know what we're doing.
It's okay. Oh, it's right there. Do you see it?
Oh.
Oh! Okay, I think you're not supposed to look at it. I think both times I looked at it, and that's why it's hurting me.
Okay, so just don't look.
My health is astonishingly low.
Okay. Alright. We got this. Now we know. Now we know.
Oh. Don't look, don't look!
Where's your head?
Not to give you spoilers, but in the last time we played, I did also die first. So.
What is going on?
Um.
Do you see my screen right now?
Wow.
It moves. The eyes move.
I don't know how this always happens to me.
The eyes
I should have bad
move.
luck.
I don't want to do this
30
without you.
Robux? Should we just restart?
Yeah, I'll look at it. I sacrifice myself. Kill me. Why won't it let me look at it? Oh, dang it. Okay.
Alright. Just watch your head pop off. Alright, back. Wait, play again. The mines.
The mines.
Okay, wait. This time I bought a flashlight. Boom. How do I use it? Do I just... Ah, I can't. You gotta turn your mic on.
Is that gonna happen to me every single time?
Now we can freak.
Oh, all the things are in different places too. Ooh.
I got a lighter. It's a floater. Boom. Got it. Yeah, mama. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Alright, cuz.
Let's go.
Let's speed run it. 1.
Push. Oh, wait.
Seriously.
I'm sorry. It's my first rodeo. Remember, don't look at the giggle. If you hear it, just ignore.
Oh.
I'll hear it.
Oh. Door 3.
Stinky water. What the what? What am I supposed to do? Maybe I flash it with like maybe I flash it with my flashlight or something?
Maybe, or drop a glow stick? I don't know.
Maybe should I look it up? Like I feel like I'm gonna die to it again.
Yeah.
Let me do a little research quick. Maybe something.
So wait, I can
It just
grab
might
it
be
off
something.
you?
Yeah, when it falls on my head.
I can grab it. Okay, I'll get ready. And then we'll have to learn how to run under it. Oh, right here.
Oh. Good eye.
Right here, cuz.
Oh, I'm getting a crazy view.
Okay, sorry, I just needed some light. Oh, I hear it.
The giggle?
I heard it.
I don't want my thing to be gone.
I swear. Come out, wherever you
The
are.
giggle?
I swear I heard it. Maybe, I feel like it warned you a couple...
I'm pushing the mic. Oh! What do we do? Do we get an unlocker? Does me get an unlocker?
I don't know what that was. It's coming! Wow, couldn't get us. Not today.
That's just because we're so... Wait, do we want to go left or to right? We want it to go the other way.
I don't know.
Why am I crouching?
Oh, look!
Wait, maybe we didn't need to... Why didn't I go out?
No, we didn't need to push it.
Wait, 106?
We gotta go this way. We gotta go this way. We went backwards, I think. I want a glow stick again. I need to stock up. Oh, a fuse. I found a fuse.
Gauge power. We need a fuse again.
I got one.
Do you see where I am? Oh yeah.
I got it. We need one more.
Boom.
Look around.
Look around, look around. Oh,
I found it. I found it.
why is like life working if I even try to use it? Okay, where's the gate
Alrighty.
power? Right here. Alright. Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that?
Oh.
Get away, get away, get away. Cousin? Ew, they're chasing you. They're chasing. Wait,
They're
get in the
getting
locker.
me.
There. Wait. Wait. Ow! They're getting me. Ow, ow, ow!
This
Hold
way.
on. They're gonna get me. They're gonna.
Cousin!
Cousin! Oh. Oh. I think we just had to run through that room.
I tried to save you.
I think we just had to run through.
I tried to save you. Because I found the door and I was like, this way, because I figured they wouldn't get us once we moved past.
Now we gotta freaking restart again. Will this kill me? Yes. We're not good at this, guys. Going wrong. I hope she's talking and entertaining y'all.
The mines. Okay. So, you think we should just like, we'll just have to
Here we
run through
go.
the room?
Speed run. Look at her remembering to put on her mic.
Dang it, that freaking mic again.
It's okay.
You think we're just gonna have to run through the room when we get those bees or whatever then?
Yeah, I think so.
Dang it.
Because now, see guys, we're learning. We're quick learners. I didn't want to do that.
Do you want a glow stick? There's a glow stick over here if you want it.
Why do I freak?
Too late. You don't get it. His baby never got big blood.
No more checking in the lockers. We're going.
I gotta be opening them.
This. Go. 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 Down we go into the deep down under.
Whoa.
People are gonna get bored of us looking in the lockers every freaking dang freaking minute.
Ah, fine, let's speedrun it then.
Freak. Found one. I got one if you got one.
I haven't found any.
This one.
Got it. Got it.
Okay. She got it? Yay! Whoa. Wait.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Oh, it's giggle. Okay, flashlight. Boom. Oh. That's my favorite part. I like pushing those down. Oh.
Good, I'm glad. Ready? Don't look! Don't look! But it moves.
Exactly.
So user beware. So wait, we just came through 9?
Yeah. Wait, no. This isn't it. We gotta go back. Oh. Wait, Rachel! Get off my head! Get off my head! Get off! Okay.
Dang it, sorry. I need to I don't know if I should hold, when that, should I hold glow sticks in my hand just in case I can drop it? Or should I not hold anything in my hand so I can
hold
rip
the
it
glow
off?
stick in your hand, but if you see it on my head, then just just hold E to save me.
I've not gotten giggled. 12. That's the thing.
Oh no, did I just kill her? Is she alive? Oh!
Who'd you kill?
No, I thought maybe I killed you when I opened the door. I know. Isn't he down there? Whatever. Wait. Oh, you have to manually do it. I'm scared.
How'd you do that?
I hear him walking in.
Oh wait, I'm crouched.
Okay, we gotta be careful.
Do you want me to go look and tell you when?
No, I just hear him walking. So. Also, he did whack me at one point. I thought this kind of but. Oh wait, I think we're fine. We're fine. We're fine. Oh no. Find a locker. Find a locker. We are just such really nothing compares to us.
Oh well.
Wait, free. What number was that? I feel like we're in what? I feel like we're at 17.
I don't know what door we're at.
Let's go in this one. Well, my health. I'm gonna die if I try it.
You always use that as an excuse to let me do it.
It's the truth.
You are doing that on purpose.
No.
Second time you've done that to me. Oh, what is that?
See if it what are we supposed to do? Are we just supposed to run? Noted. Okay, wait. She's not gonna be able to hear me though, because she has to run. I assume. Hello.
Guys, where is she? I'm afraid to speak because I think they're gonna come and get me. But if she is alive, I don't want to go save her. Oh, here's a text message. They hate the light, so don't use it around them.
Yeah. I don't know what's going on with her now. Where is she?
Do I die, is what I'm gonna say.
No, keep.
I hate to say it, guys, but Swiss is kind of the weak She's kind of the weak member. Like, she's always dying. She's always getting attacked by Giggle. Like, she's really slowing me down. She's really holding me back.
This is me waiting on the call.
Hey man, it's Freak Bob.
I'm calling you because I can hear that thing is in there.
Yeah.
And you're gonna make me do it all by myself.
Yes. I'll be here supporting you in spirit. You got it.
Oh!
Oh, wait, can you hear the monster if it's the wrong door? Like, is that what that was?
Maybe that's it. Oh, I found some health right there. Boom. Okay, 18. Okay. And here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go.
Here we go,
Oh,
here we go.
oh.
Sound like Radio Young get hit with the boom, boom.
See that?
Oh, it's like a little fall.
I don't know. There's poisonous gas, or
Maybe like shine your flashlight at it or something.
maybe I can't shine my flashlight or light a lighter, otherwise it's gonna.
Oh, you're so smart. Okay, I'm back on. I'm on number duty, so now you're going into 120.
Okay. Ah!
What?
I got the. I want another glow stick because I wasted my one.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, okay, let's go. Oh, okay. 21.
Yup. 22. Oh. Oh, don't look, don't look.
And I hear Giggle. I'm ready. Where's Giggle?
I can't see up, but normally it's on the ceiling. Oh wait, you're good.
Whatever.
You're good. It might be in this room though. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but there's grates. Like, how is he gonna fall down?
Right. 20. Wait,
Alrighty.
shouldn't it be 20? Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, wait. Remember what happened last time? How that symbol showed on the door once we outran the chasing guy? This isn't game one. That symbol showed on the door was the chase guy stopped chasing us, so I think you might need to get ready to run.
I'm always the one who's running.
Got it!
I'm waiting until he goes back.
Or this, I don't know. That might not be what this is, because just like you gotta experiment. Oh, did anything happen? No. Okay, I think you just gotta.
In room 24. How far does he go that way?
He turns the corner there. Oh. And then there's I think that's where the door is, maybe. I saw some sort of door. I don't know. Indeed. Good.
Dang it.
It's just a door.
It's gonna come back that way. I'm scared. I don't feel good. Loser! Loser! Eat my dust.
Boom, boom, boom. Okay.
Yeah, I'm clicking amazing
26.
at this.
Did you hear that?
Right now, guys, it's the Cheddar show. Cheddar is carrying.
Hello? What's the... Where's that?
The freaking bees!
Don't. Okay, just don't use your light, remember?
Yeah, they're not stinging me. But I can't see crap.
Okay, keep going that way. I can't see much better either. Oh, there. Yep,
8,
128.
29.
Right there. Wait. Unless that was just a door.
I'm gonna scout the area before I mess around with anything. Oh, 29.
Boom. Good, you're doing good.
I'm like, my back hurts. Because I'm fetal tense. What is this?
It's carrying. That's why.
Thank you. Oh, I got a pack of batteries.
Good.
30.
30. I say go straight. Oh, never mind.
Ugh, not these guys again. I hate. I don't have my flashlight on. It just looks bright for you. 32. Where's 33? 33.
Boom. Ah, I'm so proud of my cousin.
Thank you!
Oh,
I'm never really the one that does good at games, so I'm kind of basking.
Avatar's kind of giving Willy Wonka.
Well, there's chocolate. And there's
Not that one, though.
Oompa Loompa?
No. Just not Timothy Chalamet, Willy Wonka. You're giving Johnny Depp.
Oh, what does he say? What is it?
I was trying to think of a song, but I can't.
I can't remember what he says. Something. I feel like. Oh,
Well, he says, "Good morning, starshine."
there
He
says
says,
hello.
"Hello." Does he sing that in that movie? I don't think he does.
It kind of wouldn't surprise
It's
me.
all the Oompa Loompas. They carry for him.
For real. Honestly, I don't think I've ever seen the Johnny Depp one. Sorry. Yeah.
It's like the only one that I like.
I've seen the other one. You know, the.
The old one.
I don't really like that Willy Wonka though. It's kind of weird. I mean, in a good way though. So you know, oh, another glow stick. Like I'm stacked when it comes to like stuff in my inventory. I need a coach though, so like talk me through it.
Oh, you're doing good. Good job.
Where are you, freaking freak?
What's going on? Oh. Why are you tweaking?
Let me be. Let me tweak and.
Let me be clear. Let me be clear.
Let me be clear.
Let me be clear. Did you check everywhere down?
There's more stuff to check up here. I just didn't check it. I don't know why. Like I didn't. Like where's the lockers?
To your right. Turn around. There you go. Oh wait, no, that's a hiding room. Never mind.
I wonder where it is.
Ooh. One.
Oh. Alrighty. COVID.
COVID.
There's COVID on the planes.
Wish you could just like jump down the ladder. Like.
I'll take the fall damage. It wouldn't be that bad.
Boom.
Tweaking boom. What?
Whoa! Just gave me a warning. You may lose.
You said Freaking. R-E-K.
I'm a movie. I should be on replay.
Uh-oh.
Oh, get ready to hide. Yep. Go, go, go.
Here she comes.
Go, Willy Wonka.
Stop calling me that.
Go, Willy. Go, Willy. Willy Wonka. Willy Wonka.
I deserve your respect.
136. Oh, fire hazards. Oh, 136. You need 137 now, but don't use your lighter in there because I feel like you blow up.
Well, this one, yeah. Plus, I'm worried about the bat or the.
That must be what the smoke is. You even knew that without the.
They call me the freaking cheddar monster.
Do they?
Yeah, they do. Check the comments on this video.
138. Now you need 129. There's chocolate. And chocolate.
Only something, 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 some skyrocket. There's so much of the in here.
Yeah, I know this one. And the freaking giggle, which you never got. I don't understand why the giggle is only when I forget.
Because they giggle like you. Wait, what door do I go in?
140.
Bruh, she's not even trying to hide from me. It's raining!
It's raining, it's pouring. It's snowing.
Bump his head. Going to bed.
Oh. Get freaking ready.
Crap. Gotta get my crouch ready. Seek always tries to get me, but it never wins.
Straight.
Ah, I jumped!
Can't see anything. Good job.
The jump is so scary.
No, you gotta crouch here, you gotta crouch here.
I don't believe sneak is getting me through the crouch.
Oh, you gotta keep on.
The jump is so freaking scary, you don't understand it.
It sounded like... I don't know.
This is going on forever.
Yeah, it might go to like door 145. Should be the next one.
I don't know. I haven't been paying attention.
Yeah, here we go. Never mind, it goes to 150, I guess. Oh no. Oh no.
I feel like that was made to happen, yeah. Ow, what was I supposed to do there?
Supposed to drop right there. Okay. What?
This is gonna be harder than we thought.
What we need to do is we need to train, and then we come back in the next video, and we're set.
Yeah, it wasn't working before, so thank you for finally turning on your
rain.
tweaking mic. Thank you for finally turning on your tweaking mic. Oh. I can't hear you. What? Wait. Ah!
I'm not
Get-
talking to you.
Get over here so we can film the
I'm not
freaking
talking to you.
outro.
I'm not talking to you.
Fine. Fine.
Next video, Swiss and Cheddar breakup.
Swiss and Cheddar are not
Okay.
cousins anymore. Alright, guys. It looks like we're gonna have to have a part 2 because we thought that we were gonna slay a little bit harder than we did. But.
It's hard because, you know, we didn't know what to expect, but
And one of
We're
us
learning.
kept dying.
I don't want to hear it.
You're gonna hear it because you do the crime, pay the penalty.
You didn't get the freaking giggle at all. Why was I the only one getting the giggle?
I'm sorry.
That was my downfall.
Yeah, but we both got the flies. We both got. I was the one who survived
'cause-
one we didn't even know. The fire. I
It's 'cause
survived.
I like to giggle and you don't.
If
I
you can
giggle
make her
more.
laugh and giggle.
All right. It's freaking Sulaboo.
Sulaboo.